The other day, we had a Mothman sighting in Chicago, Illinois. Now, this takes place outside of Hoffman Estates on Shoe Factory Road. Now, there were three witnesses who said they were driving about 10:30 p.m. down Shoe Factory Road, headed west. Now, they had got to this spot where they said it was pretty much a wooded area and it was some sort of forest preserve. As they're driving down the highway, they began to notice some sort of large object flying over their vehicle. Now, they didn't see it, but they seen some sort of shadow moving along the road. They said it then went into the woods and then it came back out and went right over their vehicle again. They were kind of trying to look up, see what this thing was. They couldn't make any identification. So the third time this thing passed by, but as it passed by the vehicle, they hear a loud thump on top of the vehicle. So they pull over to the side of the road thinking they hit something. They get out of the car and they start to look around. They didn't see nothing. But they began to hear a screeching sound, and it was coming from the woods. That's when they all three looked over and seen a very large figure with red eyes staring at them from the woods. They jumped in the vehicle and got out of there. Now, it's interesting that this sighting just happened a night ago because just last week there was another report on Lake Michigan near the Navy Pier. A witness reported seeing something flying over the lake, very low height, and they said it had bright red eyes. It then took off towards Indiana over the lake. And we've seen an increase in Mothman sightings in the past couple of months. Usually, right, Mothman is sort of this omen of doom. So, is there something bad getting ready to happen in Chicago?